said he's gonna beat me up at Libby's. Really, no. Hit this turn. Do a quick low 0 to 60.
Tell me you saw that. The lady was shitting in the breakdown lane. See that? She's taking a shit in the breakdown lane.
No, she was not.
Yeah, she was. It's on video. I'm gonna have to blur it out.
I need a break like that. I got no power.
You gotta be ready for it.
I wasn't ready for that one, bro.
I know, it was like instant. Like, I saw it, I was like, let me go.
I saw it was like, I don't want
I didn't think you were gonna try. Like, you made that guy go all the way over.
I did. I didn't give a fuck, bro.
He's like, this guy.
Yeah, he's like, yo, this motherfucker got balls. Alright guys, I had to stop right there and turn the camera on. The view is too nice out here. And I took this little wind muff off the mic on the Senna, so hopefully audio you can hear a little better. It's not as muffled with like the bike noise and stuff. My voice should be crystal clear as always, but we're out here with Bobby. We're somewhere in Minortown, Connecticut. I don't know what it is, but these back roads are so nice, man. Gotta show the X-Spec some love as well, so got Bobby on it today. It's just beautiful out here, man. Farm country. We're just riding, having a good time. Bobby's gonna ride the X-Spec, so stay tuned. X-Spec. He's gonna ride the CLX, so stay tuned. We're gonna get his impressions. We're gonna get some footage. I'm gonna be on the X-Spec with the camera, and he's gonna be riding this, so we'll get some footage of that as well. So, if you're liking the videos with this bike, with the X-Spec, you're liking the channel overall, make sure to hit that red subscribe button, post notifications if you want, like the video, all that type of stuff. And now, I just finished editing last week's video, so the first video on this bike, and might have been going a little too fast for braking, but that was solely for the video, and for this video I might go a little fast, but nothing too crazy, and the bike's got 241 miles already. I've been riding it every day to work. It's 40 miles altogether, and yeah, I've been going easy on it. Other than when I'm recording a video, I go real easy, so breaking in real nice, and it's been starting every time with no problem. There's some weird substance on my cat, but I think it's a loop from the chain, so it is an O-ring chain. So it's like the lube is, I guess, is in between the O-ring and it comes out. I don't really know. Hit this turn. Gotta wait up for Bobby on the X-Spec. This thing accelerates just so quickly. I have learned one thing on this bike. The way I sit like so forward. I keep my hands, and I like to keep my hands like fully extended. It's not good. I gotta keep them bent because it starts hurting when they're fully extended like that. Like when I'm just cruising in a straight line, I end up going like this. My arms are straight out, which is not good. It just starts hurting bad. I'm trying to keep them bent a little bit. Now we're in Watertown. I don't think I've ever been here. These roads are just so nice. I guess we'll take a left. How does it feel having a plate? How does it feel having a plate on there? Yeah. He said, don't gotta worry about the popo, gotta worry about the speed. I think he's enjoying the X-Spec though, because his KP, the bolts are coming out on the sprocket. He's got to order the Grom assembly to put on, and he's just been waiting, so he hasn't really been riding much, especially not far, so let him ride the X-Spec. Let it get some miles. You know, I'm trying to hit 20,000 on this thing right here, so trying to hit 20,000 on that thing. Trying to hit 1,000 on this thing, so ride these bikes as much as I can. Today's my day off, man. Oh, got a trike up here. A little trike action. Oh, 2 trikes, huh? What's going on? What's going on? This throttle is just so sensitive. I think I said it in the last video, but the thing is really comfortable to stand on. Like, really comfortable. I think it's more comfortable than the X-Spec. I don't know how, but it is. It just feels great standing on. Everything about it. I can stand all day on this thing. Get some turns standing up, everything, man. Feels great. Quick little downshift. 3rd gear. 2nd gear. Stuck behind these cars. That's a nice Lexus, though. IS 350. Very nice. Do a quick little 0 to 60. Right there. Woo. Could definitely go a little faster, but oh my god, that dog. Not used to the clutch all the way, and I don't want to go high RPMs, which I kind of did there. So you gotta be careful. What the hell happened to these trees? Is winter already? Oh, man. Yeah, man, I'm loving this bike. I'm loving the looks, the style, the handling, the acceleration. Only thing I want is for it to be a little louder, which I will do eventually, but gotta take it easy for now. I don't know if I said it in the last video, but it's got like canceling turn signals. So make a turn and then just keep it straight for a while and it'll turn it off. It's also got cruise control, which I know I didn't mention in the last video. I'm gonna have to try that out eventually. Today the temps are running pretty cool. 76 degrees Celsius. That thing is screaming, oh my god. This thing's just chilling, 4,000 RPM, barely any noise, and that thing's over there screaming. These are some nice roads. We're gonna have to let Bobby get on this real soon. Look at this. What is this? Firebird? A Pontiac? What that is? Z28. I don't know. Is that a Chevy? I couldn't tell, man. I don't know what that was. I thought it was a Pontiac at first. I'm going to have to look that up. Oh, and let me know. You guys watch, whoever watched the first video, let me know which angle I should keep on this bike. The forward angle, or should I keep the side angle, which the whole side of the bike can be seen, or like the back angle, or the side, like high up angle? Let me know. I want to know which view you guys like the most on this bike. It says business district is this way. Ugh. How's that thing running? Running good? Can't even hear that thing. I can't even hear it versus this. I can't tell if it's on. Alright, we got the green turn arrow. Oh my god. Clutch wasn't let out all the way. Nice bikes right there. Yeah, this thing sounds pretty good. Watching my first video back, you can barely hear this thing. So hopefully this little wind muff was the problem and you could hear it a lot better. Hopefully. It actually sounds pretty good stock. down. They got the water tower right there. Very nice. Very nice. Wait, is this still Watertown? I'm tripping. I think this is Thomaston. I don't even know what that is. Watertown on this big building? Abandoned building? Huh? I really don't know what he said. That's why he got to get a comm on his helmet. We could talk the whole time. It's actually very nice. I like this area. Never been up here for sure. Oh, wow. Definitely one of the places they'd have to deliver to. Smells like bacon, egg, and cheeses. Definitely this Patty's place. Breakfast, lunch. Now it's getting hot. This thing, 95 degrees Celsius. God damn. That thing's got no pull. I'll put in 6 for him. That bike, for what it is, it's a great bike, and you can't beat the price. It's made me a lot of money on Grubhub, all types of stuff. And this bike is a whole different animal. You can't compare this thing to that. Not an even comparison at all. At all. Makes me laugh thinking about it. Can't compare these two. They're two different things. They're made at two different price points for two different markets, I guess. I still don't know much about this bike. Oh, something I wanted to mention. There's a Cfmoto app where you can tell, like, location of the bike, all types of stuff about the bike, like cool stuff. That's a dead end. I don't know where he's going. Should have seen that sign, no outlet. Yeah, it's for the price point. Oh, what's I saying? What am I saying? Price point for the app, Cfmoto app. You can like tell location. You can do all types of stuff. Average speed. I mean, you can tell that on here too, but there's all types of different stuff that I don't know because this bike is not included on the app. You'd have to get the CLX 700 Sport to get that on the app. To get on the app, that's what it is. Or you have to have the screen like the 650 NK or the Adventure, or you'd have to have the big screen, which has even more functions, more technology, and you could use all that on the app. So I didn't know that. Maybe that would have helped change my decision a little bit. I don't think so. I think I still would have gotten this one, but it would have been a good thing to know that this thing wouldn't have worked on the app, and only the Sport 700 would have worked. I did not know that until someone told me in the Facebook group. So, yeah, that's about the app. I thought I'd be able to show you guys some cool stuff on the bike on the app, but can't do that. Technically. Yeah, that's a pretty cool view. What the hell? Wow. Wow. It's just like huge down there. It's all the way down. It just looks crazy. Plymouth. Wow. Already going new places. Now, I don't know about all the new technology on these bikes they're making. Seems like they're just asking for something to go wrong. I like my bike simple. I don't care about no self-canceling turn signals. I'd rather have it be kickstart. Electric start is okay, I guess. Electric start, kickstart, and yeah, just go. Speedometer, maybe temp would be okay. And that's it. Gas, normal stuff, mileage. That's it. I don't want all that extra stuff that it's got. Maybe that's just me, though. Some people like that type of stuff. It's cool to have, and it's definitely cool to learn and use, but I don't know, I feel like bikes should just always stay simple. Mileage, speedometer, gas, RPMs, just normal stuff like that. You don't need all these extra goodies. Probably stuff on this bike I don't even know about I could access. I did read the owner's manual, though. Where we enter now? Still in Thomaston? Why does it give me another sign? Oh, here we are. Harwinton. What the hell? Speeding in Harwinton. Can't lie, this seat is not as comfortable as I thought it would be for a long ride. So I'm actually glad I got this bike because the sport seat was even thinner. I might get some type of cushion to add on top of it. This thing's not that comfortable. It actually seems very comfortable for the rear passenger, though. Seems a lot more like foam or whatever they have under there. It's for the passenger. I love the bike, though. Everything else about it I love. We'll see how it goes over time and how it holds up. It better hold up because I put the X-Spec through a lot more and it's a lot cheaper of a bike. So, oh, they got horses out here. It better hold up, man. I think it will. It feels great. Like, it feels solid. Even at high speeds, it feels great. That was crazy. That was a crazy speed right there, and it felt solid. Wow, look at those clouds right there. It really cools itself down once you start speeding a little. It's almost time for Bobby to ride. I thought this thing would be like $10, $12 to fill up. Maybe 15 even if it's completely empty. No, I ran out of gas the other day. When I was at work, I was leaving on my break, and it was blinking real bad. Like, it was blinking on the way to work, so I knew I had to get gas on the way back, and didn't know if I'd make it. I could barely hear any gas in the tank, and it still only took $9.50 worth of gas. So, this thing is up, and it lasts decently long for how big of the motor it is. I'll do a video on that as well, like gas mileage. An eco versus sport. I'm always in sport, so we've done about 56 miles so far today. I've only lost 1 bar, so it's pretty good. I think it's like a 3.6 gallon tank. Could be wrong. My helmet literally felt like it was gonna fly off. I think I got the strap off. Oh my god. Now wind. Wind is the thing on this bike. There's no type of wind protection. And when it's such a fast bike and accelerates and goes such a high speed, you're definitely feeling that. It's not like the X-Spec, 70 miles per hour. It's fine at 70. When you go over 80, you start feeling that wind heavily. You start feeling that wind like crazy, man. It starts trying to rip your helmet off. It starts trying to rip you from one side to the other, so you gotta be careful. And I've been riding for a long time, but I've never ridden such a high CC bike for as long as this, so.
You gotta go crazy on this. I really do like the response on it. It got a nice response. Very nice. I really like it. Oh, I shouldn't be allowed to own a bike like this. I shouldn't be allowed to own a bike like this. Oh, when I only hit 80, dude. I was like, yo, this feels. I was like, I want this. I hope you got audio. Oh, really? I was like, when I hit 80 and I saw how far you were, I was like, oh, I hope it can hear me. To hit, this felt heavier than next that feels lighter. When I got on this, it felt heavier, and that, like, when you move, it's like loose. This is like stiff a little bit, like that you can control it and it helps you out.
gonna keep riding that, but it's not gonna be any audio. Huh? You love it? Yeah, you can't compare them. They're two different classes of bikes. You know what I'm saying? They're completely different. It's not good to compare them because they're not made for the same people, in a sense, because this one's supposed to be cheap and that one is not cheap. It's not. Yeah. Yeah. They're both Chinese bikes, but two different classes. So they try to appeal towards the cheaper audience, and it could do a hell of a lot. You can just watch some of my videos. This one's like, yeah, I'd say higher class because I think it's pretty expensive. Yeah, hell yeah, I can. I might not beat him at the top end, but acceleration, I think I'll got him. I really do. I really think I got him in acceleration. Hey, you can buy my Facebook Marketplace. A crotch rocket. Yeah, crotch rocket. Let's go left, though. I'm going to try to get some rollers of you. Just so it's not me the whole time riding in point of view. Feels weird not having any mirrors, man. This thing feels like a kid's toy after riding that. I can't lie. Just the way it hits is just, oh my god. I ain't bashing the X-Spec though, don't get me wrong. I love this thing. Like I said, it's two different classes of bikes. They weren't made to compete. They weren't made to appeal to the same people. I would not consider that a beginner's bike at all. It looks good though, riding away. Third gear, I keep in. Is that a hawk? It is a hawk. Competitor. Yeah. Where's he going? Can't see him. That's a competitor of this. But I think the Hawk is, it is cheaper. I don't think it's as good of a bike as this Lupon X-Spec here.
Yeah, this one I got at Harley. I got it at Harley and Danbury.
Danbury?
Yeah, this one was ordered online.
Okay.
So this one was only $2,000. You'd be surprised what I done with it. A lot. Not hitting nothing.
Green out.
Yeah, no. Ugh. There we go. A little bit of working.
Oh my god. Oh shit. There you go, brother. There you go.
Hey, give me a second there. Can't see shit out of the mirrors.
That's why I say 120. When you're doing 120 kilometers, you're doing 740.
There you go. I'm getting used to the gas a little bit.
And the clutch.
The clutch is easy. It's the gas. You can't tell how much you're giving, and you can't hear it. Especially after riding that bike, you can't hear shit in here. I don't know what speed. I don't want to go too far. I want to go far, but I don't. And the turn signal's on the right side. That's the weirdest shit ever. What the hell is that? It scared me. What is that? Why do you say this wasn't worth it?
Huh?
I like this thing. Not this one, but...
He says it's not worth it to buy from people like this.
Oh my god, second's like fucking hard to get.
There you go, Bowsy. Goddamn, there you go.
I know how to shift. Just takes me a second. Especially when people are watching like them. Like
oh, wait,
he was watching, that's why.
I was like...
I got a manual license.
Yeah, I was about to say, you drive CDL. I was like, you drive fucking trucks.
Yeah, I got the manual license. I've driven to 10 speed.
What the fuck am I talking about, bro?
I've driven to 10 speed. Oh, what the fuck did I do? There we go. Sometimes I forget what gear I'm in. Sometimes I start paying attention. Yeah, I have the 10 speed. I got my CDL license with the 10 speed endorsement. Or not 10 speed endorsement, manual, like no restriction. I can drive manual. So that means
18 speed?
Yeah, I can drive at 18 speed. I've driven 10 speeds, never 18 though.
I think 10 is like most common. 10
You think I could take off in second? I've done it before in the first video we did.
You could definitely do it. Yeah, but you had the fucking...
Can you adjust that mirror down? Like, no, like this way. Yeah, there we go.
That?
Yeah.
Can you see now?
Oh my god. Giving too much gas.
Oh, all you need is driving the fucking second gen compass.
I'll offer him 2,000.
What the fuck is this, bro? This little ass truck.
How did we end up in this, man? How did we end up in here?
I saw the place. I was like, yo, did we come here like not even?
Yeah, and you pointed, and I was like, fuck it, let's go.
Like 6 months ago, we were there.
And I was wearing the same jacket. I was wearing a leather jacket because it was still cold out.
Dude or different guy?
Nah. The dude we were talking to was younger, and he was from here. That guy's from Sri Lanka.
Oh, he's not. Oh, you don't want to.
Nah.
Yeah, perfect.
I was gonna keep it back and forth, but I was like, whatever.
Yeah, this car was. Yeah, those are bearings, bro. I think bearings are brakes.
I like this thing. Not this one, but like I like mini trucks. They're manuals, and they're just small CC, just like reliable, huh? Yeah, I want one.
Throw weight in it.
I want one. I just want to throw the bikes in the back.
ST's a nice one. I miss Tone's ST.
Oh my god, man. It's hard as hell.
If we're doing like engine swaps or something like that, we can run out and go get an engine.
Brakes are good.
It's bearings though.
Yeah. Oh, what the fuck? Why'd it come out? No.
I was about to say, where the fuck is second in this? You on it?
It's just straight back. Yeah.
Neutral. First. What the fuck? You can feel it in here.
This thing's JDM out.
These joints are fucked up.
Really?
Yeah.
I don't even want this one anyway. If I were to get one, it's the Honda.
Here, right?
I'm getting the Honda. Huh? Yeah.
Yeah, you're not supposed to do that.
It's supposed to be... It's not supposed to be that much play.
You seen Subaru's play, bro?
Yeah.
Subaru's play is worse, bro.
This one is a Subaru. It's a Subaru Sambar.
Ah, there you go. That's why.
Look, it says it right here. Subaru.
That's
Sambar,
why.
that's why.
Subaru, that's why. It's Subaru problems.
This is the one we were just driving. Okay, let's test drive the mini truck right here. Make sure everyone come out to Ross Motor Cars in Torrington, Connecticut. Talk to Riaz. That's his name, right? Riaz. Cool guy. We talked to him for a bit. Everyone come out here, work with him. You want a mini truck? You want any of the cars you see here? Imports? Let them know. We out though. We had to stop on the side of the highway, switch back, but please tell me you saw that. Oh my God. Please tell me you saw that. The lady was shitting in the breakdown lane. See that? Taking a shit in the breakdown lane.
No, she was not.
Yeah, she was. It's on video. I'm gonna have to blur it out. She had her car door open. You guys see the lady standing there? She was like squatting. She was taking a shit. Mid shit, we passed her. What the fuck?
So you see some shit coming.
Yes! I don't know how well it is on camera. I'll have to zoom in, but you'll definitely see her squatting naked. Well, not naked, but her pants were all the way off. She was sitting, bro, on the side of the road, out of her car. What the fuck?
I think at that point I was doing like a 102.
Bro, that was wild, man. Oh my God.
This bike is very scary.
Your leg's catching on fire? You gotta keep it out. You gotta. Oh my God. His leg's catching on fire from the X-Spec. We're almost back though. We're almost back. I left my gloves at Ross Moto Cars, so I'll be seeing him again. I gotta go back and get it. Huh? Yeah, I'm gonna call him. Huh? What? Libby's? Nah. What? They got some there? I don't know what he said. I think he said he got some for me at Libby's. You look mad. I don't know. I really got no idea. He gonna beat me up at Libby's. Funny guy. Funny guy. What the hell is going on with this guy? He's going so slow. Nice slow ride today. We ended up in Torrington. Did about 108 miles so far on the bike. See what Bobby got to say. He said he's going to beat me up at Libby's. He told me to pull up to Libby's. He's going to beat me up. So let's go. Yeah. Yeah. So let's go. I don't know. I got no idea. I didn't do anything. We're about to pull up. Yeah, that's what he said. I got no idea what he said. He said something about go to Libby's. I don't know. I got some. I don't know what he said. He didn't say he's going to beat me up. He said something. I thought he was mad, though. I really have no idea what he was trying to say. How's it going? I got no idea what he was saying. I heard Libby. That's it. The rest, I don't know. But he looked like mad because he was mumbling at me through the window, closed. And then once I opened my visor, he opened his window. I don't know what he said after that. All right, this guy is going slow as fuck. I think he wanted me to go to Libby so I can talk to him about the bike. I really don't know. Because he pulled in there, too. Huh? He looked mad, too. I don't know what I didn't do anything to him, so. When I was mumbling through the window, he said so, he looked like he was just talking shit. I was my visor to hear something, and all I heard was Libby's something. I thought he said, "Are you going?" Yeah, he said, "Are you going to Libby's?" Or did you? I don't know. Did you get that at Libby's? I don't fucking know. But yeah, guys, this is gonna be the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. We went pretty far. I'm still looking for that wire, so I'm not gonna deal with all this iPhone stuff for the Bluetooth. Oh my god, for the Bluetooth footage, the Bluetooth audio. Hope you guys hope the audio is better, and I hope you guys are staying happy, healthy, wealthy. And just stay tuned for more videos, better content, all that type of stuff on this bike or on that bike. And yeah, I'll see you guys.